Hello friends, so glad you're part of the video. In this real-time session, we'll explain fraction math guide, learn to add and subtract. Let's go for greatness. We have these two fractions, 9 over 2 and 3 over 7. And we want to add them, multiply the first top times the second bottom. So we have 9 times 7, which is equal to 63. Multiply the first bottom times the second top. So we have 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Now just add those two numbers. So we have 63 plus 6, which is equal to 69. Multiply the two denominators. So we have 2 times 7, which is equal to 14. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and let's hang out again soon.